Welcome you all on Tech Special Information. In this video, I am going to discuss about the CCMT and COAP counseling procedure. You know that for the MTech admission through GET score in central institutes like IIT, NIT, centrally funded TPLITs, IISc, IIEST, you can take admission through COAP and CCMT. There are little differences between COAP and CCMT. So in this video, I will discuss in details what is CCMT and what is COAP. So for COAP, search in Google just COAP. COAP means Common Offer Acceptance Portal. Okay. So COAP registration has already started. For the registration, visit the COAP site. This site coap.iitd.ac.in. Okay, and information browser is here. You can find out the information about COAP from here, and this is registration link is here. Check about important dates first. Round 1 is going to start from 13th May, 13th and 14th May 2021. Okay, and then round 2, round 3, round 4, round 5. These 5 rounds are called regular round. Okay, in regular round you will get these options. At first, I have to tell you that COAP is not a normal counseling procedure like CCMT and other procedures. This is just a portal. This portal is for IIT and IISc. If you want to take admission in IIT and IISc, it is compulsory that you have to register in COAP portal. After getting the registrations ID from COAP portal, you have to visit the IIT and IISc site separately. Okay, suppose you want to apply for IIT Kharagpur, IIT Kanpur and IIT Bhubaneswar. Okay, suppose you are interested about only 3 IITs. So at first you have to register in COAP. After getting the registration number, you have to visit the official website of IIT Kharagpur, and there you have to fill the admission form in IIT Kharagpur. Okay, same for IIT Bhubaneswar, you have to visit the IIT Bhubaneswar site and you have to fill the application form. At the time of filling application form of any IIT, it is necessary that you should have a COAP registration ID. Okay, so suppose you have registered in 5 IITs. Okay, you can register in any number of IIT from the official website of the IITs. Suppose you have registered in 5 IITs, so when COAP round 1 will come, so from the COAP site, from this site you will get offer from IITs. Suppose you have a very good rank, you are getting offer from 5 IITs. Okay, and remember, every IIT will show you the offer in the COAP portal only. After the registration in IIT site, you will not get any offer at the IIT site. You have to visit the COAP site. So suppose you are getting 5 offer. Now these options are available. Beside every offer, there will be option like accept and freeze, retain and wait, reject and wait. Accept and freeze, that means you have you have accepted a offer. So if you have accepted a offer, in the next round you will not get any offer from any other IIT. So you have to take admission at that IIT in that particular subject. Okay, retain and wait, that means that is similar like upgradation. Suppose you have selected option as retain, so 5 options suppose you have get, you have selected one offer as retain. Suppose in IIT Kanpur, you have selected the option as thermal engineering. Suppose you are a mechanical engineer, you have selected the option thermal engineering in IIT Kanpur as retain and wait. That means if you get 5 offers, so other 4 offers will be removed. Okay, in the next round your that previous written and wait offer and some new offers will be shown in the COAP portal. And if you choose the option reject and wait, that means whatever options you are getting at present, you don't like any option, you want new offer. Okay, so up to round 4, in the first and second round all options are yes. Okay, so in the third round you can choose retain and wait option yes or no. And at the last round, at the fifth round, there will be no retain and wait option, because after that no regular rounds are there. So two options will be in your hand, either accept and freeze or reject and wait. Okay, after the regular round you will get chance for the special rounds or for the additional rounds, round A, round B, round C, round D. If you want to participate in additional round, so you have to leave your previous offer. Suppose you have already get offer from any IIT like IIT Mandi, any subject you get. So suppose you are thinking that in the additional round you may get better offer. So if you want to participate in additional round, your previously allocated seat will be cancelled. Then only you can participate in additional rounds. And in additional round, there will be no retain and wait option. Just like in the first round, suppose you get an option or you get an offer, either you have to accept or you have to reject. That is for every round. So if you are going to the additional round, think properly about your offer and then take the decision. Otherwise it may happen that suppose you are rejected, you have rejected your previous offer from IIT and you have participated in additional round and you don't get any offer. It may be, it happens. So think properly, take proper decision and then participate in the additional round. So this is the information about COAP. So if you are interested to take admission in IITs, please register soon in the COAP portal from this registration link. And which institutes are participating in COAP? To the home page, these are the institute list. Here IISc Bangalore, IIT Bhilai, IIT Bhubaneswar, IIT BHU, IIT Bombay, Delhi, Goa, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Indore, IIT ISM Dhanbad, IIT Jammu, Jodhpur, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Madras, Mandi, Palakkad, Patna, Roorkee, Ropar, Tirupati. All IITs are here except the IIT Gandhinagar. So if you want to take admission in IIT Gandhinagar, so you will not get IIT Gandhinagar in COAP. You have to visit the site of IIT Gandhinagar. Okay, this is the information about COAP. Now let's discuss about CCMT. This is CCMT, Centralized Counseling for MTech. Actually, in CCMT, the all NITs, IIEST Shivpur, all centrally funded TPLITs, not all TPLITs. TPLIT Bangalore, TPLIT Hyderabad will not be there in CCMT. So if you want to take admission in the TPLITs like TPLIT Bangalore, Hyderabad, you have to fill form from the individual TPLIT site. Okay, here you will get only centrally funded TPLITs, NITs, and some other central universities. Okay, now if you want to see the participating institute, click here participating institutes. Okay, so these are the list of participating institute. As you can see, almost all NITs are here. Okay, almost all NITs, not almost all NITs are here. And after that, TPLIT Gwalior, TPLIT Allahabad. Which TPLITs are participating in CCMT? I am going to inform you. TPLIT Gwalior, Allahabad, TPLIT Kanchipuram, Chennai, and Dharoka Poshat Misra Indian Institute of Information Technology, which is located in Jabalpur, and TPLIT Vadodara, TPLIT Bhubaneswar, TPLIT Lucknow, TPLIT Pune, and TPLIT Kurnool, and National Institute of Foundry and Forge Technology, Hatia Ranchi. This is also there. And some central institutes, IIST Shibpur, central universities are there. And last year it is added National Institute of Technical Teaching Training and Research, Chandigarh. NITTR Chandigarh has started to take admission through CCMT from the last year. Okay, and Punjab Engineering College is also here. So these are the institute list. Information browser is available here. If you want to get the details information about CCMT, you can download the information browser, and detailed information is available in my channel also. I will put the link in the description box. Okay, if I forgot, please comment in the comment box section for the all information about CCMT. And some special eligibility conditions are also there. Many students are asking from electrical engineering department which NITs allow electrical engineers for VLSI domain. Means if your get paper is in EE, then also you can take admission in VLSI. In that purpose, only few NITs allow you. NIT Trichy, according to last year, NIT Trichy VLSI electrical students are eligible, and NIT Karnataka, that is NIT Surathkal, and NIT Rourkela and NIT Agartala. In these 4 NITs, electrical students were eligible in VLSI according to the last year. This year condition, eligibility condition may change. Okay, and seat matrix. If you want to get the information about seat matrix, click on seat matrix, then type of institute. Suppose I want to check about NIT. Select here National Institute of Technology, then institute name. Suppose I am selecting NIT Allahabad, then department. Okay, suppose electronics and communication department, go here, TG program, suppose select all. Now select group all. Here you will get in which subject, for getting admission in this subject. No, these are the seat matrix. So how many seats are there? You can see in EC department, that means electronics and communication engineering department of NIT Allahabad, in each subject 25 seats are there. Okay, so in this way you can check the seat information also. Now that one, if you want to check the eligibility criteria, qualifying degree and get paper mapping, click on here. Okay, now in institute, I'm going to show you the NIT Surathkal. Okay, department electronics and communication, any department you can choose. Suppose you want to see the VLSI designing eligibility criteria of NIT Surathkal. See here, EC instrument, get paper, computer science, okay, electrical engineering, BE Tech in electrical and electronics, see here electrical engineering, the gate paper should be in EE, and if you have completed your BE Tech in electrical engineering T131, so you are also eligible in VLSI in NIT Surathkal. Okay, now another important topic, the fee details of participating institute. Yeah, you can download this PDF from CMT site. Now see here, in every NIT the semester fees are mentioned here, general, OBC, EWS. In some NITs the fees is less for SC/ST category. Okay, you can check the fee details of every NIT from here. Now another important topic, that is cutoff, previous year cutoff. Here the maximum and minimum GATE score of CCMT special round 1, special round 2 are available. Okay, and for your kind information, what will be the CCMT counseling procedure? Generally, according to the last year, 3 regular rounds will be there. As at first you have to register in CCMT and you have to do the choice filling. That means one choice contains one institute name and one subject. Okay, you can fill any number of choices. So according to eligibility you can fill any number of choices, and after choice filling the round 1 will publish. There you will get only one offer. In COAP you can get many offer, more than one offer you can get in COAP, but in CCMT you will get only one offer. Three options will be there: float, reach and reject. Mainly three options will be there. If you choose the float option, that means upgradation. For whatever option or whatever offer you have get, that will be there, and in next round you can get better option, that is for float. And another option is slide. Slide means suppose you have get a subject in NIT Allahabad, and suppose this is your number 10, choice number 10. Okay, so 1 to 9 in next round you can get any choice among the 9 choices above the choice which you get. But if you choose the slide option, you can in next round you can get better subject in NIT Allahabad. Suppose NIT Nagpur and other NIT some subjects you have given in the choice from choice number 1 to 9, that choices will be removed. Only better subject you can get in NIT Allahabad, that is slide. And if you freeze, that means you have taken a particular subject and you are going to take admission there. So that is the procedure. After completion of 3 regular round, then the special round will be there. For a special round you can fill the choice separately. For a special round you have to fill the form again for participating in a special round, and you have to fill your choices separately. And another information that is important: if you want to participate in the special round and suppose you already get a offer from the regular round, in that case you have to give a declaration. You have to give a declaration that, yeah, if I get any offer in a special round, I will accept that offer and my previous offer will not remain. Okay, that means your previous offer will gone. Now see about the cutoff. If you want to see the cutoff of last year 2020, special round 1 and 2 cutoffs are available, and if you want to see the previous year cutoffs from 2017, 18, 19, you can select year from here. 2019, select the round, suppose round 3 I want to see. Select institute name, any institute you can select here, suppose NIT Shuratkal. Then branch, you can select whatever you want, suppose for an energy system. Click on submit here. Now you will get institute name, subject name, maximum minimum, get score for open, EWS, OBC, NCL, all informations are available here. So if you have any doubt regarding CCMT and CFP counseling procedure, please comment in the comment box section. And some other important videos, important information regarding videos are available in my channel. You can see those videos. I'll put the link in the description box. Okay, thank you.